Let me ask you a simple question. Why do vehicles in Africa break down so suddenly? Not after 10 years, sometimes not even after 1 year. Every day across African cities and highways, we see buses stalled, trucks broken down, fleets losing money, and mechanics struggling to find the problem. The truth is this: Africa does not have a transport problem. Africa has a system problem. And until we fix the problem, we will keep fixing the same vehicle over and over again. That's what we are talking about today. Why Africa auto and transport system must go smart, and what that actually means in real life. The current reality in African transport. Let's be honest about where we are today. In most parts of Africa, vehicles are not maintained. They are managed by reaction. We wait for a breakdown, then we look for a mechanic, then we start replacing parts by parts, hoping the problem disappears. There is no early warning, no clear data, no system memory of what happened before. That's why the same vehicle keep coming back to the workshop. Another major issue is that most decisions in our transport sector are still manual. Decisions are based on experience alone, or guesswork, or trial and error. Experience is valuable, but data without experience become expensive. Then there is the issue of spare parts. Importers, dealers, and mechanics face this daily. Wrong parts supplied, parts that fit physically but don't match electronically, fake parts flooding the market, and the final cost is always paid by the vehicle owner or fleet operator. Now, if we are managing a fleet, the problem becomes even bigger. Fuel disappears without explanation. Vehicles stay off-road longer than necessary. Drivers misuse vehicles. Maintenance costs keep rising, but nobody can explain exactly why. Money is leaking quietly. And the biggest issue of all, everyone works alone. Manufacturers, importers, mechanics, fleet managers, engineers. No shared data, no shared intelligence, no connected system. Now let's talk about manual system versus smart system. So what exactly is the difference between the old way and the smart way? The manual system waits for failures. It reacts after damage has happened. It depends on memory, paper records, and human assumptions. This system is costly, stressful, and impossible to scale. A smart system works differently. A smart system listens to the vehicles. It uses data, diagnostics, and technology to understand what is happening and what is about to happen. Instead of asking what went wrong, it asks what will go wrong soon if I don't act now. That shift alone changes everything. How technology fixes the problem. Let's talk about solutions, practical ones. First, smart diagnostics. Modern vehicles already generate data. The problem is that we don't use it properly. With smart diagnostic tools and AI logic, faults are detected early. Exact components are identified and mechanics stop guessing. This turns mechanics into automotive technicians and repair become precise instead of experimental. Next is fleet intelligence. For fleets managers, smart systems allow you to track vehicle health in real time, plan maintenance before breakdown, monitor fuel usage accurately, and understand driver behavior. The results: less downtime, lower costs, better business decisions. Another powerful area is part authentication and compatibility. With smart system, parts can be matched to vehicle's identity, not just shape. This means correct parts, fewer returns, more trust between dealers, mechanics, and customers. Then there is AI predictive maintenance. AI learn from previous breakdown, road condition, driving patterns. It predicts when parts will fail before they do. Maintenance stop being an emergency, it becomes a strategy. Now, let's take it down to real-life African examples. Imagine a transport company in Lagos running 50 buses. Without smart system, breakdowns are random and expensive. But once they introduce diagnostics, tracking, and data monitoring, breakdown reduce, fuel waste drops, maintenance become predictable. That's profit recovered, not new money spent. Or take it an auto parts dealer. Instead of relying on guesses, they use VIN-based matching. Returns reduce. Customers trust them more. Sales move faster. Now think about a mechanic workshop. With smart diagnostic tools, problems are found faster. Customer respects the work. The workshop can charge professionally. The mechanic evolve from roadside fixer to mobility professional. What this means for everyone watching: if you are an importer or dealer, smart system protects your inventory and reputation. If you manage fleets, they protect your cash flow. If you are a mechanic, they protect your future relevance. If you are an engineer or student, this is where new careers are being created, right at the intersection of automotive system, data and AI. And for African manufacturers, this is how we compete globally, by building vehicles and systems designed for Africa reality. Africa does not need more vehicles. Africa needs smart mobility systems that reduce waste, systems that protect data, systems that connect everyone in a value chain. This is not luxury technology. This is economic survival. And this is the vision behind Afrimetra. If you are serious about the future of Africa mobility, engineering, and automotive intelligence, you belong here. Subscribe, share this message, and let's build smart African transport together.